Let's check out the rain report now. We'll first recap on what we've seen over the last week and then have a forecast about what we're going to be seeing this week. But for you in the southeast interior, we have some good news for you. Just stay tuned for a second. Now, the last 7 days, it's been dry across the southeast, as you can see, except for the coast. That's been some showers due to southwesterly winds. But the west here, across parts of the Gascoyne, parts of the Wheat Belt, parts of the coastal divisions, these areas have seen much-needed rainfall due to a powerful cold front that rolled through. It was the heaviest rain in years for areas like Bustleton and Bunbury. In inland of the Wheat Belt, we had totals as much as 25 millimeters on western portions of it, but it graded to about 1 to 5 millimeters across the east. Now, those showers are set to continue today. Let's take a look at the forecast. A few showers throughout today, but they'll contract to the coast of the Western Australia. Now, trough tomorrow is going to bring some rain across the southeast. And then we got another cold front on Sunday bringing more rain to the southwest land division. And that cold front, as it makes its way further to the east on Monday and into Tuesday, and that's going to be bringing some rain north of the Great Dividing Range in Victoria and also west of the Great Dividing Range in New South Wales. So that is some decent news there. Notice how it's moving over the east, bringing that rain band, even stretching into parts of the Downs maybe in Queensland. So we'll keep an eye on that one because that's a relatively new model development there. And then it looks like we could see this low pressure system off the east coast. It could bring some pretty heavy showers. Okay, let's talk about what's happening today. We have showers for the southwest continuing. They'll contract further and further to the coast throughout the day, though. So that's the southwest land division over there. So heaviest showers on the coast. Don't expect too much rain inland. As we go into Sunday, though, that's where we start to see a trough, which was formerly a cold front, hit the southeast. Now, that's going to be bringing rain across the air, parts of the pastorals, down into the lower southeast, even parts of the Barossa region, for instance. For the southwest, we got a cold front hitting later in the day, bringing showers starting on the coast and then reaching inland areas, including the Wheat Belt yet again. But it's not going to be that much. Notice how it's between about 1 to 5 millimeters only. On Monday, that cold front that hit the southwest will then make its way to the east. Showers moving away from the southwest and then developing in the east. And then on Tuesday, that front moves over the land. Now, it's not a particularly windy front, nor is it a particularly strong front, but it is cold. Cold enough to snow for the Alps and cold enough to bring some very wintry precipitation for other areas. Now, notice that rainfall. Most of it is going to be on and south of the ranges of Victoria or in northern Tasmania. But there is some that is going to be making it to the north of the divide and bringing some wet weather to places like the Riverina, places like the Central West, and the parts of the slopes as well. On Wednesday, the rain sort of clears up, maybe spreads. Look how it's just touching the border of Queensland and New South Wales there. Maybe not quite getting as far north as the Downs. It's definitely something we're going to keep watching on each model development. And then as we get to Thursday, we have that system moving offshore and potentially turning into a low, which, as you can see, could bring some gusty showers to the coast of New South Wales. Meanwhile, the west coast, maybe another trough coming through, bringing more showers, mostly for the coast at this point. Okay, the rainfall picture for the next 8 days. Now, for the west, going to continue to see showers today and then tomorrow again with another cold front. And then late next week, maybe a trough in front coming through, bringing another burst in showers, but dry in between those. For the east and southeast, we got a cold front. We got first a trough coming on Sunday, so tomorrow, and then a cold front coming through on Monday and Tuesday, bringing much-needed rain across the southeast interior. It's not going to be the heaviest rain that you'll get in that much of a period of time, but it is much-needed rain, and it is going to hit the soil around there.